Today, we're diving into the latest and most exciting leaks about what might be DJI's most powerful ultralight drone yet, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. As the successor to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a revolutionary update in the compact drone category, and it's expected to hit the market by the summer of 2025. Based on multiple trusted sources, including Drone XL and Digital Camera World, the Mini 5 Pro could raise the bar in performance, imaging, flight time, and intelligent automation. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to retain its sub-250G weight class, an impressive engineering feat considering the numerous upgrades it might pack. That makes it compliant with various global drone regulations and a great option for hobbyists and professionals alike. DJI is reportedly equipping this drone with a powerful new 1-inch sensor, a significant jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. This improvement isn't just a technical spec bump. It could entirely redefine what creators can achieve with such a compact flying camera. A 1-inch sensor in a sub-250G drone represents a huge leap forward for image quality. This would mean vastly superior low-light capabilities, greater dynamic range, and sharper, more vibrant photos and videos. For aerial photography enthusiasts and content creators on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, this means professional-grade visuals from a drone that literally fits in the palm of your hand. Low-light performance would see a drastic improvement, enabling photographers to capture the magic of dusk, dawn, or even night scenes with less noise and more clarity. Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future, where we break down the innovation packed into every new tech release. And the Mini 5 Pro might just be DJI's smartest move yet. Beyond the upgraded sensor, DJI is expected to roll out a brand new gimbal architecture. The gimbal will reportedly support vertical shooting natively. No more digital cropping or resolution loss. This will be a game changer for social media. Content creators, influencers, and vloggers who tailor their videos for vertical formats. Adding to the creative toolkit, DJI may also allow the camera to tilt straight upward, a feature never seen before in the Mini lineup. This unique upward gimbal tilt opens up opportunities to capture jaw-dropping overhead shots of architectural structures, trees, cliffs, or indoor spaces, scenarios that were previously out of reach with compact drones. Range and flight time are two critical metrics for drone users, and DJI is likely addressing both in a big way with the Mini 5 Pro. The new drone may come with a max range of up to 25 kilometers, about 15.5 miles, which far exceeds what many current drones offer in this category. Whether you're filming an epic mountain range, chasing a car along a winding road, or documenting a vast coastline, this kind of extended range provides flexibility like never before. But what truly sets this drone apart is the rumored flight time, a staggering 50 minutes on a single battery. For comparison, many premium drones tap out around 30-35 minutes. With a 50-minute flight time, you'll be able to take your time setting up shots, capturing longer sequences, and covering more ground without having to land and swap batteries constantly. This also makes it ideal for professionals who need reliability and endurance, especially for real estate, survey, and documentary-style shoots. Let's not forget about safety and smart flying features. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature an upgraded obstacle avoidance system, possibly incorporating LiDAR technology. LiDAR, commonly used in autonomous vehicles and high-end aerial systems, allows for incredibly accurate depth mapping. This tech, along with additional dual front-facing sensors and new black inward-facing sensors, should allow for far safer flights, even in environments with complex obstacles like trees, power lines, or buildings. Whether you're flying through a dense forest or navigating tight urban corridors, this updated obstacle avoidance could provide peace of mind and reduce the risk of crashes. Such enhancements make the Mini 5 Pro especially suitable for new pilots who need extra assistance, as well as experienced users who demand more reliability in dynamic shooting conditions. In another potentially groundbreaking upgrade, the Mini 5 Pro might be the first in its class to include onboard audio recording capabilities. This would enable the drone to record ambient sounds, voice commentary, or even synchronized audio during flight. a huge plus for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators looking to add another layer of immersion to their footage. Imagine being able to narrate your experience live as you fly over a beautiful landscape or record the sounds of nature from above. Combined with its video capabilities, the audio feature could open up a completely new way to tell stories from the sky. It would also reduce post-production time for creators who usually add audio separately. DJI isn't stopping there. Precision. Landing is reportedly getting smarter with improved downward-facing sensors and an LED ground illumination system that boosts visibility during takeoff and landing. The LED light not only enhances the drone's futuristic aesthetic, but also adds functional value during dusk or nighttime operations. For users flying in low-light conditions, this means safer, more accurate landings. Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. And let's continue with another standout upgrade. AI-powered intelligent tracking. DJI has been refining its autonomous tracking algorithms for years, and the Mini 5 Pro might showcase the most advanced version yet. From active track improvements to subject recognition and dynamic flight path adjustments, this drone is poised to be more intuitive than ever. With smart AI flight paths, users could set the drone to autonomously follow a moving subject, whether it's a person biking through a forest, a pet running across a field, or even a car speeding down a highway, and the drone would smoothly track and film with cinematic precision. This hands-free operation allows creators to focus on their subject while the drone takes care of the flying. This level of autonomy makes the Mini 5 Pro an incredible option for solo content creators, travel vloggers, and action sports enthusiasts. Even if you're a beginner with little flight experience, DJI's AI tech might allow you to capture Hollywood-style footage with ease. Combine that with extended range, smart sensors, and long battery life, and you've got a drone that truly does it all. Of course, all of these leaks, while exciting, come with a grain of salt. Some industry insiders and leakers have hinted at a possible delay in the official launch. While initial rumors suggested a summer 2025 release, updated chatter on social media platforms like X, formerly Twitter, and Notebook Check indicate that the Mini 5 Pro could be postponed until late 2025. These delays aren't uncommon when new tech is involved, especially when groundbreaking features are being tested for real-world reliability. DJI has yet to confirm anything officially, and as we all know, specs can change before the final production model hits shelves. That said, everything we're hearing paints the picture of a drone that's set to revolutionize what users expect from compact drones. From pro-grade imaging and vertical video support to LiDAR-based safety systems and AI flight control, this might just be the ultimate ultralight drone for 2025. For anyone considering a drone upgrade or entering the world of aerial filmmaking, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect balance between portability and professional features. It's designed for creators, travelers, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts who want more than just a flying camera. They want an intelligent, creative partner. And if you're as excited as we are, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the official release, price, confirmed specs, and our hands-on review when the DJI Mini 5 Pro finally launches. Thanks for watching, and as always, welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Until next time, keep flying high and stay tuned for more future-forward tech updates.